Yo, Mr. Handsome Gunman, are you me come bout? Yesterday you turn on your live, you go say, nobody in a Jamaica can make you left rose. Nobody no want you left your piggy bank. Nobody no want you left your ATM. What we want you do, I tell you big old dirty stinking hog say, for your manners for people pitney. You can see him like how you can come defend Rosealee and say nobody can make you left your woman. I see him, so I go turn up on my pitney, my 2 foot and defend my pitney and the 2 one can go suck on the mama. No, until you can tell the big old swatty, dirty, stinking hog say, for your manners for people pitney, none of you can get my respect and I will never stop. And Ackeem, you did the talk off your mouth. You influence Rosealee if you act like this towards everybody because of what you tell her when the bucket of what you feel like you have, you make Rosealee feel like you have it. Well, Mr. Handsome Gunman, let me tell you this. Your woman is a piece of hog. All dirty blood class shit. All maggot where you yourself now fuck. You have to build up your mind straight for go fuck it until that it one can go suck on the mama.
I text my blood clot phone. My business about blood clot gift. Go suck your mother. I'm not come telling a lie. And it piss me off. When I end this and throw the blood clot phone and go lie on my bed. Go suck your mother. Big girl. Chain. Go suck your mama brawling. Big hole. When me come tell blood clot, like the man ask me, where them can't find it? Me go much upon my relationship. Can not go trust me, come got me as liar. Go suck your mother. I don't text my blood clot for a bit. If I say me talk out of my blood clot mouth, over here, me approve nothing. If I say me talk out of my mouth, me come for prove it with receipt. Call receipt can forge. Someone a delusion and a blood clot on the net. Me work tell life for people, I tell life on people. Cause suck your mother. Me say I apologize if what I do hurt the little boy feelings. I apologize, but don't tell me what the blood clot say. Cause I'm not gonna make people can't trust me with nothing. So good, girl. Today I Friday and fuck with me. I get my brinkle. I get my dark. I'm feeling with this blood clot over this, so I get my dark. And at them same gift I mash up someone on the platform. And them come tell you what for do and I mash up on their own self. Me now make no one gift to mash me up. Go on. A long time de boy, yeah. Me now make no one gift to mash me up. Go and leave my place. I choose the true Nika Mama, me just the truth. Me now make no one gift to mash up this. Leave my place. Me care? No business. Don't see a big woman, you don't say that to me. Me not diss him, I tell him how I feel. You don't say that to me. Why you want to come here publicly and lie? Phone can when bring down the half it can come up. And say me did say and Unu did say. Unu can trick boy ya. Unu can trick boy ya. And the fake message you are going to me and if you look, come in a type so. Come on, just a voice note and keep it moving. I said, I'm not going to tell no lie. I'm going to take it off of my phone because all I want to lie. Because same like you can sit down and bright blunt for me to tell a lie. I same to you, sit down, you still lie to me all of these years. And all of these times. One thing kill you know, in on a show. You never did know. I saw me think clever like everybody else. Like all old Bella think. Because if you want to come for life, come tell a lie. I say, pay like you sit down and tell me I want to know my business. So you can't stay here. I don't care where you can throw. Because every money are clean money. Learn that. It not stay with you long. Me a hustle, me all bandit. No come tell me for tell a lie. What kind of good name I look on the blood clot inside? Me I look good name over here? Me I look good name over here? Me beg here, me give in at the streets. Me not look good name me give away. Me beg here, me give in at the streets. When me I get two things to people, me not look no good name. Me not look no whoa, oh, When Jaden and Ashley come with the fumble of a story, me say man they save him and the whole on the show me and the bus and class me my bad mind. Me learn. Say me I give somebody something I want to crowd panic and me not forgive everybody, but me try to do what me can do. Me not go say Shakita and help me out in many different ways. Fine. But me not we want me to do I don't like it, so I blocked you. Me not sit here and tell a lie. Me a feeling, don't tell me to lie. Me a big one, don't do that. What wrong with that? Cause hey bitch, hey so cool girl around me, you know. See me nice? Me not nice to that bitch. Hey girl, where? Ramp with me. Me get locked up and Ackeem bail me. And my opinion them don't call me, I call them now. I show them tough love. Because if you don't remember when mama want a blood clot, you want to know if you don't remember when mama when she blood on a blood clot, you want to remember when you pussy clot all. When me all na drop, you not remember me. So I don't call you no. Think I am stupid. And those are my kids that I push out of my crutches. And when the two of them are fun, and when me get locked up and come out, them know me come out because them silly. Them here, none of them don't call, and I don't call them either. For 2 weeks, she read me now look. It's them tough love. Because if you don't remember your mama when you're young, so when you get old, you're not going to remember your mama. You're old, joy up, your mama old and joy up and I walk with stick and I look, you're not going to remember them. You're not going to remember me. Remember your mama. Remember your parents. And them are my pitney. And that's something do them. I don't call her so 3 weeks. No come out from in me. I'm not call nobody. And long after me say Barbara call me, oh mommy, happy birthday. I said, thank you, my wonderful son. How are you? Oh, I'm here, I'm good. It's okay. Love you, he said, love you more, and I hung up my phone. And before I hung up my phone, I asked, what's up with your sister? Oh, she told me to tell you happy birthday because her phone is not working. I said, oh, you know my number to your head. Go beg most to a call. You don't interested in your mama. I mean, look at she. And long after, oh, mama, I said, oh, my daughter, what's up? Oh, you don't call me. Oh, and she give me the story. And I said, okay. Coming now, but differentiate from the story, you know. You done me youth already. But tough love go a far away. If you don't remember your mama when you're young, you're not going to remember your mama when you're old. And these are the things we need to teach our kids. Because someone not teaching a pin broke on a picnic bad. So we're not going to pin all the things in the world. I want not all and a shake. I want a cup of water. A stranger can't go on not to know a pin on a bird. And if you show me that you don't remember when you're young enough with sense, you're not going to remember when you're old enough with more sense. So I don't call. It's not that I don't love, I don't call because what? You have a phone. Remember, so you have parents and ring them phone. Like how I'm always thinking about you, think about me too, don't it? It go both ways. I never neglect you yet, not throw you in the bus. Not mind, forever. But it's a generation curse, so we keep on putting back up in the atmosphere. Remember your mother. You don't need to call your phone, call your mother. Whenever kids do the door on the skin, whenever. I now want nothing against one. Look on. Come for me. All enough to know the situation can I go to school and I learn. Simple. Call your mother. What the fuck? And a tough love me show. Because when I show tough love, sometimes you get the ending result. I could never eat none of my opinion. And me birth them 2015, 2017. And me birth them and me name them. Me tough love me have a show. And I'm my kids. So why I can't show anybody else it? Me a mascot. Loyalty is key. Don't tell me to come on my platform and lie. Suck your mama big pussy girl. Or homeless. Humble mother big stinking rotten hole. I ask Mexican man, I come on my platform, come tell pure lie, because I'm hungry. I keep up a charades. No come mess up with that. Don't come mess up with that. I protect all my peace too. Then, I'm not gonna come out with that. Me, Rosealee, will never, ever, ever forget when I prisoner, Ackeem bail me. Not even my money look for me. Gratitude is a must. Me always, I remember that boy there. Always. 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 And him know that. Him know. Him know exactly how I feel about him. And him know, so when I get upset, sometimes the shit might rocky. Everybody have them ways. Why many people come here come tell lie? What the fuck you text my phone for so good little girl? I text my phone. I tell me, bless go suck your mama. When I be listening, me see Shakita. Shakita just come and be my Ackeem start, whatever. I'm in a class her. I'm in a bring her down. But the fact that you want, the fact that you want, indulge me to sit and tell a lie is crazy. Why you want me to long and tell a lie? When the people them come and say, wait, them can't fight, a lie me I tell. Where you want break me, where you want mash up my platform? So when Mexico one gift them platform, no. Show about that one there. The loyalty scheme, no need for lie. All me ever say is, I am sincerely sorry. So good girl, don't text my phone. I'm not nice. Sometimes the money, the fame don't mean nothing to me. If you're praying on my brother, you have to put me. That's why I rush up and able this morning. As me just brush me teeth and come like me don't even be a cow. After all, don't them have my back lock. And I ask. And if I war, sometimes I don't even say nothing. Because you don't know how him stay. Yeah. And I'm a Sagittarius. The more I'm taught, the more I'm get ignorant. And the more I'm get ignorant, the more I lick people. I've been there so that chatting, physical chatting him now, the more talking on the internet. And so, that is him. The more I'm talk, and the more I'm blood boil, and the more and him now do the bag of lipping. That's why I'm just laugh. That is a true Sagittarius. And if able to do all around the summer, I to go around the talk, say, we say, talk no? With Anna go so. Talk what you say. Yeah, and if I lick a fight, that's also to stay. Don't play with me, don't play with yourself. Bitch, no text my phone, go suck your mother. You stink like shit. They come text girl phone, go suck your mother. They come call girl phone. Where? I move.